Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of some of the 5 best portable cookers for outdoor feasts. Watch until the end to find out which is our best recommendation from the list. First on the list is number 1. Primus Firestick Backpacking Stove. If you're a backpacker and would like to buy a cooking stove that's small and compact, and that's light enough to carry around in your backpack, this is easily the best device for you. Small as it is, this camping stove comes with a slower-like stovetop that has the capacity to handle the weight of your cooking pans, keeping the small cylinder below from bulking under the weight. The device is also pretty easy to control, so that even as the gas inside reduces, you'll continue to get a consistent flame with every use. It also comes with its own igniter, so that you don't have to carry matchsticks with you that might risk of getting wet. The main downside with this camping stove is that you cannot use overly large cooking pots, and you cannot use it over a long time since it's pretty small. Number 2. BioLite Campstove 2 Wood-Burning Camp Stove. If you're going to be camping in an area with lots of dry wood, this camp stove will prove an ideal buy for you. It cooks your food and boils your water using firewood. And get this, it charges your devices while it cooks. It charges its onboard 2600 mAh battery through the heat produced by the fire, providing you with energy to keep your electronic devices charged. Aside from that, it's able to produce loads of heat that boil a liter of water in 4.5 minutes, and it also comes with a separate kettle and a grill to use when you want to. Additionally, it comes with a small flashlight to use at night when camping. Number 3. Jetboil Genesis Base Camp Backpacking and Camping Stove. This camping stove proves most ideal for a large group of campers, mainly because it is large, and it also comes with 2 burners. It uses propane, which produces a decent amount of heat, allowing you to cook real fast and easy. The set comes with a 5-liter cooking pot, complete with a lid, as well as a ceramic-coated nonstick pan, making sure that you do not have to worry about carrying extra crockery. In case you're going camping in an extremely windy environment, you can use a provided windscreen that allows the flame to stay stable on an extremely windy day or night. The fact that it folds makes it pretty easy to carry around. Number 4. Camp Chef Explorer 2-Burner Stove. This portable camping stove proves ideal to people who travel with their vehicles, since it can prove pretty bulky. It's made using cast aluminum, and it comes with 2 burners, which are pretty large, and they produce a decent-sized flame. Because it uses propane, you have to carry with you a propane cylinder so you can cook. It comes with an appropriate heat control dial that allows you to regulate the amount of heat you would like to use for cooking. And the fact that it's pretty large and produces large flames make it excellent for cooking fast, and it feels just like cooking at home. The main downside is that it's not a light device, and you have to buy the propane tank separately. Number 5. Coleman Gas Camping Stove. Also a propane camping stove, this device proves excellent for many people, or for individuals who like to cook big, hearty meals even when camping. It's a conveniently compact device that's great for backpacking, and it will allow you to cook whatever meal you prefer from wherever you are. On it, you're able to fit 2 cooking pans at the same time, allowing for simultaneous cooking. The burners are adjustable so that you are able to regulate how much heat you receive when you're cooking. This camping stove comes with wind-blocking panels that allow the flames to stay stable, even when it's very windy. In addition, there's a pressure regulator that makes sure that you get consistent pressure, no matter how much propane you have in the tank. The main downside is that you have to carry a propane tank, and it's sold separately. Which one is the best? Since the BioLite Campstove 2 Wood-Burning Camp Stove does not require that you carry fuel around, and since it also charges your devices for you, it makes the best camping stove in our list. That's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and let us know which video you'd like to see next from us.